Welcome to my channel. These products are very high quality on my channel. I've been working on Amazon's best products for a long time. Of course you will like. Check the description box. Please subscribe to my channel. Number 1. Meiliweser Silicone Sink Splash Guard Gen 2 Slope Upgraded Faucet Mat. Our silicone faucet mat measures 15 in length and 5.5 in width, with a 2.5 aperture that fits most faucets. Please measure your sink and faucet size before purchase to ensure a perfect fit. Made with 100% food-grade silicone, our splash guard is better than other fabrics available. It's safe, durable, and easy to clean, providing long-lasting use. The slight downward slope and unique drain twill of our silicone faucet mat make it easy to get rid of excess water and keep your sink countertop dry. Number 2. Use your kitchen sink splash guard. Silicone sink faucet mat. Keep countertop dry. The silicone faucet mat is specially designed for faucet splashes. You don't need to worry about water staying on the silicone sink faucet mat or countertops, causing faucet stains. This sturdy, flexible faucet mat stays in place, drains well, and keeps your countertop dry. Easy installation. Faucet absorbent mat is 14.55.4 inches in size and can be easily installed. There are a 2.36 inches adjustable round hole in the center to accommodate faucets up to 2.36 inches in diameter. Cushion width is adjustable by 1 inch. If the distance between the wall and the faucet is narrow, you can fold it up. Please confirm that your sink is the right size before purchasing. Number 3. Silicone faucet mat for kitchen sink splash guard. Upgraded automatic water draining design. The silicone faucet mat has 2 water drain outlet ports. Slant design. Guarantee water drains back to sink quickly and easily. The raised notches on the mat surface keep your kitchen stuff like sponge and soap dry. One side of the splash guard mat can be folded to better fit your countertop. Adjustable and versatile. The central hole of the silicone faucet mat is adjustable. Fits faucet bottom diameter in 3.2 inch. The dimension of the mat is 19.7 x 5.5 in CHLXW. This water catcher pad can also be a sponge holder in kitchen for sponge, soap, brush, dish towel, and an organized tray mat in bathroom for cup, facial cleanser, mouthwash, hand sanitizers, etc. A really drain pad. Number 4. Kitchen faucet sink splash guard. Silicone faucet water catcher mat. Upgrade version. Our new design for faucet splash guard is better than other fabric type on the market. Our silicone faucet handle drip catcher tray designed with the draining, so you'll never worry about the water stay on the mat or counter. It's easily fit around the base of your kitchen sink, bathroom, farmhouse, RV or restroom to keep clean and dry. Easy to use. Our silicone water catcher pad is made of food-grade silicone. It's reusable and durable, simply installed to your faucet counter. Unlike the fabric version on the market, you have no need to worry about the wet fabric mat or wash the mat and dry it. Our silicone faucet handle drip catcher mat will catch the water, and the water will drain to your sink. Number 5. Kitchen faucet sink splash guard. Adaptive design. Our silicone water catcher pad is made of food-grade silicone. Unique opening design. Each side is a tightly wrapped faucet splash guard for sink. Don't need to cut. Foldable design. Don't worry about the distance between the walls and the faucet. Perfect fit for kitchen and bathroom countertop. Upgrade self-draining water. Newly upgraded silicone faucet splash catcher automatically drains the water in the faucet water catcher mat with drain into the sink. Remove water stains. No water accumulation. Keep dry. Don't worry about sink splash guard need takes a lot of time to dry. Keep your countertop dry. Kitchen faucet absorbent mat. 100% silicone, soft and reliable, reusable and durable. Better than other drying mats for countertop, which fabric type on the market. Just rinse with water or toss into the dishwasher.